in an earlier video, just a couple minutes ago I posted it. Basically, I have a house in Monkey Box, because I have a content creator house. And obviously I told him, y'all who I'm living with, aka my, or whatever you want to call her, Sharky. But basically, I gotta build my house. So, time lapse. Or 2 beds, a couch, and probably a TV, maybe, if I feel like it. And probably a fridge, stuff like that. But, yeah. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna make the fridge now. Okay, we got a good enough fridge, I think. It'll work. Okay, I think one will work. Okay, so now I need to, I guess, make other things. Actually, I'll leave the countertop to y'all if y'all want me to add a countertop. Or us to add a countertop, I should say. Because we are roommates. But basically, okay, I'm gonna add the two beds. Iris. Not gonna add the toilet. Like, if we want, it's like, you want like 4 by 4, 4 by 4. Okay, so let me make the beds. I need 2 of these. 3. I'm just gonna like, no, I didn't like that. I'm saving this. Base game. Yes. I'm leaving. I did not like that. I heard a noise. I didn't like that. Anyways, I guess I'll just... It might have just been my controller. I'm just gonna put in a random code. I'm recording a video. I didn't like that. Okay, the house is here. Okay, I should be fine now that I'm not in that one code. Because normally we only hear noises in that one code. It's really weird. Or like in 2 different types of codes. But it's really weird, bro. I like it. Bro, why am I glitching again? I don't like this. Whatever. It's fine. Oh my god. It would probably be better if
one of my friends who are helping me, boy, like, they're not online, so I would ask them, but they're not online. And I know they're not going to join. I did ask two of my friends, actually. One of them was the person I'm in this game. And the other one was just a friend that we like building and hanging out. I finished it.
The beds, I should say. So this is gonna be mine, and gonna be hers. Yep. Those the mini like fridge thing. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. If she hops on, then you'll be able to meet her. But see y'all. Bye.